welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll teach you guys a very simple thing, how to render multiple clips at once, or we can just call it a batch render. So you might want to do this if you have like multiple timelines or multiple like short videos and you want to render them all at once instead of rendering one and then wait for it and then render another one. Okay, it's a little demo here. Let's go to the render page. Okay, and select your in and out range. So maybe your clips are in multiple timelines, but in this case I'll just do a demo in one timeline but different render. Okay, so find where you want your render place to be. Demo output, that's for me, and output 001 just for my file. We can just do add to render queue. So now it's over here, right? Let's say I want to render another part of the video. Okay, let's name this 02. Okay, then let's say I also want to render this part, the third part of the video, but obviously for you it can be like the first timeline, second timeline, third timeline, right? Let's name this 3. Add to render queue. So now you see we have 3 jobs. Usually we will do like, okay, render 1, but in this case we'll select and then press shift and then select all the ones that we want to render and then just put render 3. So now you can see it's rendering 1 out of 3 jobs, correct? Okay, we don't really care about the result, we just care about if it batch render in this tutorial, right? So now you can see completed. Now if we go to that folder we were just now, demo output, you can see 01, 02, 03 all rendered out. And voila, there you have it, how to batch render. This will really help you speed up your render process, because you can just batch render, go do your dishes, go do something else, take a shower and then come back. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something in this tutorial, and if you did, please like and subscribe so more people like you can find this tutorial and together we can help them. Remember to do that, it really means a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye fam.